Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to sync Inventora with your Wix shop. When you sync your shop with Inventora, you will be able to easily manage your inventory stock levels within Inventora as new products are made. When you sync to multiple shops, such as Etsy and Shopify, you will also be able to view all of your customers in one spot in Inventora, as well as sales and reports. On the left sidebar, click on your business name and click on Settings, and you're going to have the Integration section. When you click on Connect Shop, you are going to see on your screen an invitation to try Inventora. Click on Add to Site. When adding Inventora to your website will allow you to read your email address, manage products, read orders, read basic sites, and business info. Click on Add to Site. And the last step is to match your products in Inventora with the products in Wix. Match your Inventora products with Wix products, or we can also create new products for you. We also give you the option to sync your stock levels with the ones that you have in Inventora or the ones that you have in Wix. Click on Sync Products. You can see that we already sync your products, your customers, your sales, and also your reports. This is how you're going to be able to keep track of all these things in just one place.